Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review of this Montreal steak. I'm going to be putting this in the air fryer to cook. So how long? I'm going to be putting it for at least, because it's rock solid as you can see, I'm going to be putting it at least probably about 13 minutes on 190, and I'm going to check to see if it's actually going to be cooked throughout. But I don't want to overcook a steak either, so I've never air fried a steak, so I'll let you know how that turns out. So let's do this. Okay, so here's the steak. I cooked it up, and then I put it in this bowl here, and I cut it. So it actually looks pretty good. It's actually still soft. There you go. So it's actually really soft in the middle and crispy on the outside, and it's super moist. Surprisingly good, guys. Definitely check out Family Question Comics as well as subscribe to the channel. The air fryer does a great job.